Mi nombre es Marco Rico, soy ventas en México y ingeniero de servicio en México. I have an engineering background on the mechanical side. I'm a mechanical engineer, so that has helped me a lot in order to understand the nature of all projects in Mexico and try to understand so much better than just like a simple sales person. So that have been helping a lot the relationship between Mexican customers and machine concept. Machine concept capabilities are just so much better than Mexican suppliers. We have like a high-end equipment, so that helps in order to try to get more customers every time. Pretty much all equipment are customs. That's why we are so strong in that area. Some of the regular suppliers or fabricators do not want to take some of the specific projects, so that's where we are very strong at. Recently, we have worked on a couple of precision levelers for the lamination industry. We have built a brochure for a stainless steel line, and we have been developing a couple of automation projects as well for Mexico. Mexican customers expect just the best customer service, and also at this point they expect to have somebody to speak in the native language. So that's also one of the benefits that I'm working all over there based in Mexico. If you are on the metal industry or lamination industry, it would be great to help you out. Also, any kind of automation project, that would be great for us to help you. So it will be my pleasure to help.